exploding! Holy crap!
Until noon Eastern Daylight Time at 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm was located over Bluffton, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Expected hazards include
That's the first time I've heard all my weather ideas go off. Almost.
This is a radar indicated threat.
This is the second alert my 12247 has ever gone off for.
Locations impacted include Bluffton, Decatur, Portland, Hartford City, Bern, Dunkirk, Montpelier, Redkey, Geneva, Monroe, Pennville, Westchester, Center, Nottingham, Bryant, Shamrock Lakes,
Crap, we're in it!
Veracruz, and McNass. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest
Shamrock
floor of the
Lakes.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways.
Severe thunderstorm warning for
A
us.
severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until noon Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties.
The start of a severe water event.
Blackford and Jay. This is NOAA All Hazards Radio KJY93 in Muncie. The National Weather Service in northern Indiana has issued a severe thunderstorm warning.
Of this one of the SFA. Doubleheader. I know that's going to be a doubleheader.
Until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:43 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Bunker Hill, or 7 miles southeast of Grissom Air Force Base, moving southeast at 55 miles per hour. What's going on? Because I've been able to take 70 miles per hour when size hail. This is a radar indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
What? Which?
Home Corner, Bennett Switch, Michaelsville, Normal, Meyer, Herbst, Santa Fe, and Wolfgang. This includes Interstate 69 in Indiana near mile marker 252, near mile marker 258, and between mile markers 262 and 263. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud to ground lightning.
Holy crap.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Grant, and Miami.
Watch! Holy crap!
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 403, effective until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, Madison, and Randolph. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to more weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. This is NOAA All Hazards thunderstorm warning for northeastern Madison County, Delaware County, northeastern Henry County, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:04 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Alexandria, or 10 miles northeast of Anderson, moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Alexandria, Yorktown, Chesterfield, Daleville, Selma, Springport, Summit Lake State Park, Prairie Creek Reservoir, and Ball State University. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 234 and 247. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, and Madison. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Henry, and Randolph. Here is the National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County, northeastern Hancock County, southern Delaware County,
Holy
northwestern
crap!
Henry County, Hamilton County, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern
This
Daylight
is
Time.
pure insanity.
6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line
How is this
extending from
just
Alexandria
enhanced
to
to us?
Noblesville, moving east at
There's been
45 miles per hour.
constant EAS is pretty much. Current time is, well, actually, the current temperature is 68 degrees and dropping. It hit 92 degrees today. This is the coldest since 9 p.m. last night. But it's a bit after
Locations
that.
impacted include Muncie, Anderson, Fishers, Noblesville, Alexandria, Westfield, Yorktown, Cicero, Pendleton, Fortville, Chesterfield, Ingalls, LaPel, Edgewood, Franklin, Daleville, Martinville, Orestes, Sulphur Springs, and Springport. This includes Interstate 69 between mile markers 208 and 241. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Henry, and Madison. The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Delaware County is canceled. The severe thunderstorm which prompted the warning has moved out of the warned area. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in warning for northern Madison County, southern Clinton County, southeastern Howard County, northeastern Boone County, Hamilton County, Tipton County, until 4:30 p.m.
Holy crap, I was just about to upload the... Holy crap, guys. The temperature is quickly dropping.
4 to 6 miles west of Tipton to 8 miles southeast of Frankfort, moving southeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles
It's 67 degrees out, and it's only 4.
This is a radar-indicated threat. The following
It shouldn't
impacts
be
are expected.
67
Hail
degrees
damage
out.
to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Guys, I woke up to a
Locations
severe
impacted
thunderstorm
include
watch.
Frankfort, Carmel,
That's the
Fishers,
entire reason why I
Noblesville,
woke up.
Zionsville, Elwood,
A lot of
Alexandria,
idiots were going off
Tipton,
for a severe
Windfall,
thunderstorm
Westfield,
warning.
Cicero, Sheridan, Greentown, LaPel, Franklin, Arcadia, Kirkland, Atlanta, and Sharpsville. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 148 and 156. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Boone, Clinton, Hamilton, Howard, Madison, and Tipton. Here is the National.
Yes, 100
The
free.
National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Madison County, Hancock County, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
Current temperature is 66.6. The current temperature is 66.6 degrees Fahrenheit.
Elwood, Westfield, Yorktown, Cumberland, McCordsville, Pendleton, Fort Hill, Chesterfield, Ringhouse, Knighttown, Lippel, and Edgewood. This includes the following highways. Interstate
Has it heated up?
between mile markers 200 and
Nope, this is the coldest of this.
Interstate 70 between mile markers 94 and 133. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana, Delaware, Hamilton, Hancock, Henry, Madison, and Marion. This is Miller.